Mwah, just sell it.
Mwah, just sell it.
Yes, for affordable cell phones, yeah.
Conquer your tomorrows by getting the right and relevant career guidance today. This message has been brought to you by Career Corner, a division of One Nation Youth Development. Mwah, One Nation.
Reporting live on another expo, African Automation Technology Fair with my main man. Say, what is your name and what is it that you do for a living?
My name is Themba Nkumane and I'm a control systems engineer.
What? A control what?
Systems engineer.
Control systems engineer. I've never even heard of such a thing. First of all, for you to be a control systems engineer, what are you qualified in?
I did a diploma at TUT of computer systems engineering.
Computer what?
Systems engineering.
Computer systems engineering in TUT.
Yes.
Okay, cool. How long have you been working in this industry?
I think this is my third year now.
This is your third year?
Yes.
You're working in this industry?
Yes.
Okay, in high school, which subjects did you do for you to even qualify to study, to work in this industry?
I did pure maths, physics, life sciences, and then geography.
Geography.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is the more important one? Are pure maths and physics.
Maths and physics.
That's the one that I focus.
Okay. In your career, sir, if you can just say, what is your day to day, what you do on a regular basis? Like for instance, say go to this month, this is what we did. Just to say, halamuzi.
Okay. My day to day, it's mainly designing a system, troubleshooting, then programming most.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So if I'm 16 years old and I'm watching this guy, I'm like, yo, this guy looks like me. He probably smells good like me. And I want to be where he is. What can you say to me to motivate me? Okay, now you can do it where you are, Angelo. Just lift up your socks.
I think one thing is to study.
Yes.
Always be humble and then network a lot.
Okay.
Don't be scared to volunteer just to do something in the country. You see a mechanic, you can just go and volunteer just to grow some skills.
Okay.
And that way you will network.
Okay.
So when you come to varsity, you need to look for volunteering services, maybe in some engineering companies. Then yeah.
Okay, now, number one, thank you so much, Anjalo. So, shouting out what we are doing here, Career Corner, One Nation, and shouting out our potential sponsor, Anjalo, is Sell It. They have the best cell phones in the country. Young people are buying cell phones all over the country from Rosebank. Do you mind just saying, Mwah, Career Corner?
Mwah, Career Corner.
Mwah, just sell it.
Mwah, just sell it.
Yes, for affordable cell phones, yeah. Number one. Cut.
Sure.
Conquer your tomorrows by getting the right and relevant career guidance today. This message has been brought to you by Career Corner, a division of One Nation Youth Development. Mwah, One Nation.